Hello, everyone. Today, I want to introduce you to our customer support and CRM platform Chatbot templates, which integrate seamlessly with your chosen customer service platform. Connect your knowledge sources via the Schedules or Documents page on the main app. You can find these templates under the Flow Library tab, but it is better to find them in the Integrations tab, where there are instructions on how to use them. Simply choose the service you wish to have and use the Flow template. Flow will instantly generate a helpful chatbot that delivers accurate responses based on your provided information. The chatbot is designed to efficiently handle customer inquiries by leveraging your existing knowledge base, enhancing the user experience, and ensuring quick and reliable support. If the chatbot cannot answer a question, it will automatically redirect the user to a live agent based on the selected service. By using the customer service chatbot, you can streamline your customer service process and improve overall user satisfaction, ensuring that your service is responsive and well organized. To see how to create everything in this chatbot, there is a tutorial video linked in the description below. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.